Good morning, learners. Welcome to today's lesson, grade 5, mathematics. We will be looking at the topic of measurements, whereby we are looking at kilometer as a unit of measurements. In grade 5, we are looking at kilometers and meters, but in grade 4, we looked at meters and centimeters. I want us to remind ourselves what we looked at in grade 4. We said that one meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So, this is grade 4, but then in grade 5, you're looking at a kilometer. A kilometer is a bigger version or a bigger unit than a meter. So if 1 meter was 100 centimeters in grade 4, right now we are going to be having our kilometer, which is a bigger unit of measurement than a meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So this is the formula that we are going to be using in grade 5. When you are converting, we are going to be guided with the two questions that we have on the board. The first question is, convert the following to meters. You are told to convert 9 kilometers to become meters. So first thing, you are going to have to write the formula because the formula is the most important thing that you're going to use. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So this is the formula that is going to guide us. Our like term in this question is the kilometer. We have the 9 kilometer and its like term is the 1 kilometer. So we have to align them in the same position. So below the 1 kilometer, I'm going to ask myself, if 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, what about 9 kilometers? So with this question, what is it that you're going to do? So you have to reciprocate the two digits that you have, and reciprocating means the lower number becomes at the top and the one at the top becomes at the bottom. Or in another term, it becomes the numerator and the other one becomes the denominator. So the 9 kilometer is going to be multiplied with 1,000 meters. The equal sign changes to become a multiplication sign. So multiplied by 1,000 meters. Then the rest which would have been dropped down is 1 kilometer, which should be divided. So the principles of division, we have to do what? We have to simplify our working. Well, we simplify by cancelling. And remember, we have to simplify only the like terms here. We have the kilometer and the kilometer, therefore you have to cancel this kilometer and cancel the kilometer at the numerator. Remember, when you're cancelling, you need to cancel a numerator and a denominator. So once you're done with that, multiply 9 multiplied by 1,000, which is going to give you a result of 9,000 meters. Then our denominator is 1, but then any number divided by 1 remains the same. Therefore, 9,000 meters divided by 1 is still going to give you a result of 9,000 meters. So that is the answer in our first question. In our second example, we have the kilometers and the meters. So the difference here is that we have the meters, but in this case we didn't have the meters. So what is it that you're going to do? First, we have to convert the kilometers. The 150 meters cannot be converted because it is already in the state that it is required to be. So, using the formula, 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meters. You are going to change the kilometers to be meters. So, you're going to write it on its equivalent. What about 1? What about 4 kilometers? Remember, they have to be on the same side because they are like terms. Kilometers and kilometers. Then afterwards, do the reciprocal. The 4 kilometers is going to be our numerator and the 1 kilometer is going to be our denominator. Therefore, we are going to multiply 4 kilometers multiplied by 1,000 meters and all this divided by 1 kilometers. Our like term in the numerator and the denominator is the kilometers. That is what we are going to cancel. Cancel the kilometers and cancel the kilometers at the numerator. Then you'll be left with 4 multiplied by 1,000 to give you 4,000 meters. Remember, we said any number divided by 1, this is over 1, remains the same. Therefore, our answer is 4,000 meters. But then we are not done with the question. In our question, we have 4 kilometers, which has changed to become 4,000 meters. So what about the 150 meters? We have to now add 150 meters to 4,000 meters because they are now in the same state. They are all in meters. So plus 150 meters. So remember, addition starts from the right. Always remember to align your digits well so that you don't end up getting the wrong result. So 0 plus 0 gives you a 0. 0 plus 5 gives you 5, 0 plus 1 gives you 1, and 4 plus 0 gives you 4. And remember to write the units because they are what you're looking for. Very important to include the units of measurement. Our answer now becomes 4,150 meters. So that is how we convert kilometers to meters and vice versa. In our next lesson, we'll be looking at how to convert meters to kilometers. So for our practice exercise in our textbook, we are going to be using the KLB Visionary Mathematics. KLB Visionary Mathematics. On page 95, we have a practice exercise there. We'll tackle number 1 up to number 3. So until then, I want to wish you a good time and God bless you. Thank you.